Hello everybody, in today's episode I will show you how to remove the headlights on a Volkswagen Golf MK5. Today I'm working on this car and I have to do a restoration for the headlight, so I decided to make a video and show you how to remove them. First, to begin, you'll have to remove the front grille. The grille is holding in by two bolts, one on each side, and after that you'll have to push some clips in order to disconnect it from the car. After that, to remove the headlight, you'll have three screws. I will show you in a second what you have to do. The first screw which you'll have to remove is this one from the corner. After that, in order to reach the second bolt, you will have first to remove the grille. From these cars, the grille can be removed very easy because it's only holding in some clips and bolts. After that, the second bolt from the headlight, it's right here in the left side. You will have to remove this one in order to remove the headlight from the car, and the third one is right here under the bumper protection. I will show you in a second how to get and how to remove this one. So far, those two bolts came out very easy, but now it comes the difficult part. To reach the third bolt, what you have to do is to pry the protection, this protection from the bumper. You have to use your fingers, or if you have a plastic bar, to pull it from behind. You have to pull it outside, and after that you have to hold it. You have to hold it until you remove the bolt completely. Just be extra careful if you have washers like I have on these cars. If you have washers for the headlight, you have to be extra careful because you don't want to break them. Those can be very easy to break. You just have to pull from them very easy, and when you feel like it's not coming anymore out, you have to stop it. After you're done with removing the bolt, you have to slowly let go the protection until it stops onto the bumper, and after that you'll have to remove the wires from behind the headlight. To remove the connection from the headlight, you can also use a flat screwdriver and try to push the clip outside in order to make the wires come out from the headlight. It's a little difficult because you don't really have too much space to work with, but it can be done, you just have to be patient. Okay everybody, so the headlight is almost out. To remove it completely from the car, you just have to turn it in a little ways, in a few ways, just to make sure you don't scratch the headlight into the fender. This is the wire that I'm talking about. This is the connection for the headlight. And to put it back onto the car, you also have to turn it in a few ways, in some different ways, in order to make it fit properly onto its place. This is all you have to do in order to remove your front headlight, in order to remove the headlight on a Volkswagen Golf MK5. Thank you guys for watching. If you like this video and found it informative, please leave a like and a comment down below. See you next time.